Hello and welcome to song number 7 of our 15 Uke Songs challenge. Song number 6 was a little challenging because we had that baby bar chord. So today we're not going to have any bar chords or any challenging chords. We're actually going to take it a little bit easy. Make sure that your ukulele is tuned. So the strumming pattern that we need for this is down, down, up. And that's it. Every time that you see a chord, give it down, down, up, down, down. We do have a few chords that will just be down strums, but we'll get to that when we get to it. Intro, 1, 2, 1, 2, intro. That's it. If you find the ukulele is falling a little bit, make sure that you have the ukulele bed in place. That way it's not like wiggling all over the place. Let's do the intro again. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. We have down strums. Fish are jumping and the cotton is high. We go back to the down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up. So let's do the whole verse. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. More down strums here. So hush, little baby, don't you cry. So that E7 with all those down strums, it technically has 4 beats, so you can do don't. But I like the drama of doing 3. Don't you cry. If I were to do 4, there wouldn't be that space, so it would be like, don't you cry. So definitely make a style choice there. Let's do, let me see. Let's do intro, verse 1, and chorus. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Drama. So hush, little baby, don't you cry. So that's just an example of how you could use those parts that have down strums to be super dramatic and intense, or I don't know, like colorful with the way that you're playing this. So I am very pleased to say that that's it. The rest of the song repeats something that we've already done. So this is a song that you can definitely memorize, and again, I wanted to give you an easy day, so this would be it. So for those of you who really want a full play along of this, I'm going to put it on my Patreon site. Join us on Patreon. I do play alongs for all of the 15 Uke Songs challenge there, as well as extra printables there. So I'll put the whole thing there. Definitely join us in our Facebook group, Ukelandia, so you can see other people who are uploading covers. And if you're on Instagram, use the hashtags and tag me so that I can share your stories as well. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much to the sponsor, and I will see you next time for video 8. Sayonara!